I've done in the past a lot of whitewater canoeing in North Carolina, and I'm able to read water with the same ease as reading a book. Water has shapes, transparencies, reflections, and movement, while the rocks they flow over are the architecture that gives them form. Translating that into a painting was a long-term challenge, and it took a lot of practice. I think I'm able to do that now with more confidence. This is an adventure in trying out new color combinations in an attempt to get the values and the shape and the highlights, and warm and cool without using any black or grays. So we've got sunny areas, warm and cool, with variations of different kinds of blues, oranges, and purples. This is White Waterfalls. It's 411 feet tall, and it's the most complicated and beautiful waterfall in North Carolina. We have the river's coming here, and it has a small ledge, a bigger ledge, long fall, seeping through the rocks, winding down. Another ledges start here and here again. Here's another ledge, another ledge, another ledge, another ledge. And that shapes the water and the way it falls. And your general assumption, looking at this and looking at whitewater, is it's all white. The white was the last thing I painted. There's like a turquoise and blues and purples painted first behind the water, and then white on top. Some of it transparent, some of it translucent, and some of it opaque to show the shape and the form of it. And even put the far cliffs where you could see through a gap in the trees. And some of the water's transparent, and you can see through the sunny areas below, but you have to make that look like a pool with some movement in it and a little bit of reflections on it, or else it just looks like a bare rock. Not paint every single detail, just abstract the trees, even though I might know exactly what the name of that tree is or what the shape of the leaf is. I don't want that much detail on the sides around it, and I just suggest that this might be hemlock with the way I did the brushwork.